The following tips will help your hair grow faster, longer, and it will also be healthy for your hair. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell for more tips and upcoming videos. Brushing the hair before and after washing it stimulates the blood flow to the scalp and distributes the nutrients in the hair more evenly. Don't brush it when your hair is wet though. By massaging the scalp using a combination of the right natural oils, plant extracts, vitamins and minerals, you can clean out the hair shaft, increase the scalp blood flow, and promote hair growth. You may follow the link in the comment below to find out more about some of the recommended products for hair growth. A vitamin-rich diet is probably the best way to get a healthy head of hair because it stimulates the speed of hair growth. Fruit, vegetables, and iron-containing foods should be on your shopping list if you want healthy hair. Use hair growth vitamin supplements when you can't cover your nutritional needs in your normal diet. Vitamin A, C, H, and all the B vitamins, as well as copper, zinc, keratin, silica and iron, help in the quest for healthy and longer hair. It's tearing your hair out. The rumor that one's hair falls out from stress is true, so stay casual and cool, and try to avoid stress. You may follow the link in the comment below to find out more about some of the recommended products for hair growth.